Hello everyone, good evening. See, in previous video we had a discussion of what is email and what are the uses of email. Now in this video we are going to learn what are the steps to create an email account by using the internet. Now see, email, before creating email we are going to choose the type of email what we are going to create here. See, only few of the service providers, they are going to provide us email facility for the users, that is email service providers. Only in few of email service providers they are providing the email service for users. So users are nothing but the person or people those who are going to create an Gmail account, or the people those who are going to use a Gmail account, email account. For them we are going to call it as users. So here some of the service providers. See, service providers is nothing but from where we are getting email facility. From where we are getting email facility, for them we are going to call it as email service providers. Here only few of the service providers they are providing us email service. In that, first one is Gmail, one is Outlook, then the third one is Yahoo. See, these are the three different email service providers. They are providing us email facility. See, Gmail from the Google, then Outlook from Microsoft, then Yahoo Mail from Yahoo. See, these are the service providers. From there we are getting email facility. Now the most of the people they are going to use Gmail. The reason is the Gmail is one of the huge network around the world, and it is one of the user friendly platform. And also under Google there are so many Google families are there. It is a huge network around the world. This is the reason the so many people are compelled to use Gmail. So in this video we are going to learn how to create one of the email under email from the Google Gmail. In this video we are going to learn how to create a Gmail account by using the internet. See, and also we are going to call it as the Gmail or email is one of the internet service also. See, internet service is nothing but with the help of internet what are the services we are going to use. These services we are going to call it as internet services. So let us start how to create an email account by using the internet now. First, choose the web browser what we are going to use in your computer. See, I am using in my computer, that is the web browser is Google Chrome, and other web browser is Microsoft Edge. Still there are so many web browsers are there. Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, anything, Safari, Mini, then Opera Mini, all these are there. Any web browsers we can choose. See, web browser, if you want to know more information in web browser, you can watch my previous videos of basic internet usage. There you will get the information of these web browsers. Now, don't want to waste time here. Directly we will start practically how we are going to create a Gmail account. Now come back onto the desktop. See, this is my desktop area. See, on my desktop area we are going to find the web browsers of a computer. See, as I told you, I am using two different web browsers. One is Internet Explorer and other one is Microsoft Edge. See here, Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Either I can choose Google Chrome or either I can choose Microsoft Edge also. So here I am going to choose web browser Google Chrome. Double click on the Google Chrome. As soon we double click on the Google Chrome, see, This is the home page of the Google Chrome. Under home page, on the right side, there is a Gmail option. Either we can choose the option Gmail here, and also one more option on a address bar. See, this is the address bar. On address bar, directly we are going to enter the website name. The website name is www.gmail.com. See, either we can on address bar we can enter the website name, or in the right side there is a Gmail option. There also we can choose. Once I click on the address bar, click on search. See, once we click on search, the Gmail interface is going to be open like this. Default, it is going to ask for sign in. See, sign in is nothing but already if you have created account under the Gmail, by providing the username and the passwords, we are going to enter into the Gmail. If not created, now still we are going to create now, so that here we are going to choose the option as create an account. See, under the sign in option, that is create an account. See, here you can see. Now simply click on the option create an account. See, I'm going to click on the create an account. Once we click on create an account, here we are going to get three different options here. One is means the purpose what we are going to create a Gmail account for: personal use, for my child, then for work or for my business. See, if you want to create your personal use, select the personal use option. For your kids, if you want to create, choose the second option. Then for your business, if you are creating Gmail account, select third option. So presently here I am going to create an account for personal use. Select the option personal use. Then once you click on the personal use, it is going to ask for name of the person who is going to create a Gmail account. Here it is going to ask for first name and last name. See, here I am going to give first name as Kant, first name as Khan, then the last name as Confinity. So I have given first name and last name. So depending on the names whatever we have given here, it is going to ask, it is going to show, or it is going to give the suggestions for the username of the Gmail account. See, once you give the name, just click on next. In the next step, we are going to enter our date of birth and gender. Provide your date of birth, then gender, select particular gender. After selecting that particular gender, click on next. Now as soon as we provide this, we are going to get some suggestions from the Google. See, here I am getting two suggestions. One is confinitycan@gmail.com, confinity@gmail.com. See, these are the two suggestions I am getting from the Google. If you don't like these suggestions, there is a option create own Gmail address. You can also custom username you can give under the create own Gmail account. So I am satisfied with the username whatever the Google is suggesting, that is confinitycan@gmail.com. See, confinitycan@gmail.com. I am satisfied with this, so I am going to choose the username as that. So simply click on the username confinity@gmail.com, and whatever the suggestions you will get, depending on that you choose and click on next. Once we click on next, it is going to ask for the password. Here give your passwords. The password should be strong password. See, the strong password is nothing but it is a mixed password. See, mixed password is, it should be a strong password. The strong password is nothing but mixed password. That means uppercase, then lowercase, numbers, then symbols or special characters. See, these are the strong password content. See, if you give uppercase, lowercase, numbers and characters, the unauthorized persons, they are not get our passwords easily. See, if you give common passwords, some of the peoples will be there, means hackers or fraudsters, what we are going to call. They will be trying to enter in our accounts. See, common passwords will be very dangerous, means easily anybody can get easily. So I recommended you to select strong password. The strong password is nothing but mixed password, that is uppercase, lowercase, numbers and characters. Once you give the password, click on next. Then here it is going to ask for the mobile verification. See, this is very important here. See, earlier it was asking directly is to enter mobile numbers, but now the update, it has been updated here. So here we are going to use our cell phone. For security purpose, it is going to ask for the verification. See, what we are going to do here, by using your cell phone, open camera option. See, under camera option there is a option scan. Use scan option. As soon you use scan option, it is going to ask for the QR code. By the time you scan this code, if you scan this code in your cell phone, automatically the Google is going to verify your phone number under the QR code. Once the verification done, see, security purpose, each and every person or each and every user, they have to verify. Once the verification is done, automatically it is going to ask for the next step. See, under next step, we will receive some terms and conditions of the Google. If you agree terms and conditions, directly the account is going to be created. Once the account is created, the default, directly we are going to enter into the inbox of our Gmail account. See, once all the process finished, directly we are going to enter into the inbox. See, in this way we are going to create our Gmail account by using the internet. I hope you have understood the steps to create an Gmail account. Once you all try, then in next video we will see the components of Gmail account. That means we are going to enter into the Gmail, and how can we send and receive the mails, all those things we will learn in the upcoming videos. Thank you.